Santa Cruz is the largest of the Channel Islands. It's home to 60 species of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth, including the Santa Cruz Island fox. This little guy is roughly the size of a house cat, but he's the largest land predator on the island, so he can hunt freely.
Santa Cruz is also home to one of the largest concentrations of sea caves in the world. There are more than 125 caves in a 20-mile stretch, each carved by the powerful waves that batter the volcanic rock day after day. One of the best ways to explore them is by sea kayak, and JD will be our guide.
The rocks are sharp, there's barnacles and mussels up to the high tide mark, so unless I tell you, don't touch the rocks, okay? Use your paddle blade instead of your hand. If you do happen to fall in, let's say in the back of a cave, someplace where it's kind of rocky and hard to get back in, I might say to swim out. Just let go of all your stuff, swim out towards the light.
All right, JD, so where are we heading first?
I'm gonna take us down to this cave over here called L Cave, and it goes in this side and out the other, quite cool.
So we actually get to paddle through it?
I hope so.
All right.
We'll see how it goes.
We'll see how it goes is kind of our personal philosophy, so we're on board.
These islands were formed by volcanic eruptions. So you've got this basalt, which is this really coarse rock already, but the water just kind of pounds against it and has turned it into something that looks pretty fierce.
It's jagged.
I don't think we're gonna want to be bumping up against the walls at all today.
It's easy to stay a paddle's length away from the walls here in L Cave, but the caves get a lot more challenging.
There's lots of nesting seabirds in the overhead. When they get scared, they poop, right?
Yeah, I just
So
saw that.
don't
actually.
scare them and don't look up.
Okay, good to know.
Be careful, it's kind of shallow right in there. Tide's pretty high, there's a lot of waves coming in.
Here we go, I gotta get through the bird zone. They're dropping bombs everywhere.
Oh, whoa. One more inch and I would have had a nasty stain on the top of my head.
Even more challenging than avoiding the birds, the swells. It's hard enough to be precise when trying to get through these tiny little cave openings. But then to add on having to time it perfectly with the waves, it can be quite tricky.
Stay far left. Whoa!
Jack goes through first and he slides right through. I give it a shot.
Okay.
And my first attempt, it doesn't go so well.
Oh no! Oh no, that's not good.
My composure has just gone out the window, just like that.
I know what I'm trying to do. I just got a bad jump there. Oh my gosh! Jeez, I am not good at that. Oh! Oh!
Oh no, they're back.
No, no! The goals! Oh no!
I got bombed.
Oh. Whoa! Yeah!
After a few more practice caves, we only have time for one last cave because the tide is rising.
It's called the washing machine. Waves coming from 3 different directions.
Washing
Really
machine?
turbulent.
Look at that in there, dude.
Looks like it's pretty much a spin cycle today.
JD has saved the toughest one for last.
Oh man. Whoa. Stay on your toes in this one.
Oh yeah, here goes nothing.
Oh! Oh no! Whoa! Get out of here!
Yeah!
Woo!
Hello! Nice.
Oh man! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Get me out of there! Oh!
What happened?
Ow! I thought I was just golden. I thought I nailed it perfectly coming in, and then a wave out of nowhere came from behind and just smashed me, and I just went hands first into the wall.
Whoa.
Oh, yow!
You're not bleeding though, right?
I'm not bleeding, no.
Good.
Just a little rattled, that's all. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel, there's a lot more to come.